by Kate Fletcher. Today's video is a Happy Mail video. I've not had Happy Mail from YouTube before. I've had Happy Mail from like friends in groups on Facebook, but this is my very first Happy Mail, friend mail type thing off of YouTube. This, I believe, is from Trisha of Crazy Crafties. I saw a video last week, I think it was, and she said she was doing Happy Mail, and then she said she was sending something to me, and I was like, oh my god. So it's come today, and just briefly, I just want to say, like, this couldn't have come at a better time, because I lost my dog on Sunday really suddenly, and I've been feeling awful all week, and then this has come today, and the timing it couldn't be better. And Trisha, I just want to say thank you so much. I mean, when you posted it, you didn't know what was going to happen. I didn't know what was going to happen, but I'm really, really touched that you thought of me, so thank you very much. And it's here, and I think it's going to make me feel better. So I haven't looked inside. I literally just slit the top of the parcel open. So I'm just going to pull it out. I'm sorry if there's a rustling and stuff. Let's just lit that away. I haven't had an address on. Okay. So let's have a look. Just a note to say. Oh, that had address. Sorry, I'm not going to show that bit. So I have this lovely note from Trisha. Hope you enjoy this Happy Mail. Feel free to pass it on if you want to. Much love, Trisha, Crazy Crafties. Look how beautiful this card is. Isn't that gorgeous? Trisha, thank you so much. Honestly, I'm an emotional wreck this week, but this has really come at the right time. It's just such a nice gesture. Thank you so much. Right, so also in with the card are these, which I think they're like to put your cards in, and then you like fasten that up. And there's envelopes to go with that. So there's this one, a white one, and like craft. So that is awesome. Let's put that under there. Right, let's have a little look. So we have a range of spuds. You know, I've never had these rectangle ones. That is awesome. Never had one. Like, I've got the round ones. I've never had one of those. So that's going to be a lot of fun to play with. Do you use them the same as the round ones? Does anyone know? Or do you have to? Maybe I need to look at a video. That's awesome. Oh, thank you so much. Then we have memory box. I really like these dies. I've been sent memory box in a Secret Santa, and it's brilliant. They're a really good size as well. So this is a die. Yeah. Isn't that lovely? And that's how it cuts out. Thank you so much, Trisha. Oh my god, look, this is grand. Okay, we'll just let's go one bit at a time. Look how adorable is this owl. It's like a tag owl to and from. Do you know, I'm going to have to tie that into my baby scrapbook when I do some more of that, because that's just adorable. And look at these buttons. I love them. Look how cute. Are they wooden? Kind of, yeah, wooden buttons. Wow, I've not seen those before. Pegs. I haven't tried any of that. What do they call it when you is it altered pegs? I think. Is it Caroline does altered pegs? I might have to go searching on her channel, because I want to have a go, and now I can. Look, there's like loads in there. That's amazing. Ooh, look at that. Bamboo. Oh my god. That's awesome. And then, oh wow, these are like Look at these. Now I know Trisha makes like was it papers and stuff, so I'm wondering, did you make these with your papers? If you don't know about Crazy Crafties, go over and have a look. I'll link her channel in the description box of the video. She has a website, and she makes the most incredible like papers and stuff, and there were some ombre ones that she'd done a little while ago that I was like, I love them, but I can't find the replacement printer ink for my printer. It's driving me mad. I've looked everywhere, I swear to God. I don't know where that thing has gone, but one day it's going to turn up in the most obscure location, and when it does, I'm going on her website to download some papers. Wow, look at them. Those are awesome. Wow, oh look, apple blossom. So we have, what's it? Oh my God, look, it's a matching die and stamp set. So these, cut out these. Those are fabulous. That cuts out the umbrella. That cuts out the lady. That must do the handbag. They are going to be so well used, I can't even tell you. Oh my God, what's this? Right, hold on. No way. I think I know what this is. No way. Wait, hold on. I can't get into it. She's typed it up too good. Right, let me just pause the videoing till I get into this. Oh my God, you're not going to believe this. Look, this is all distress inks. That's insane. So we have black soot. Let me just how do I do this? I don't like break anything. That's black soot. I'm guessing walnut stain is that one. Vintage photo. Walnut stain. Antique linen. Antique linen. Vintage photo and black. My God. Oh my God, though. Trisha. I don't know what to say. Oh my God. Thank you so much. I literally, one of my biggest things, I love distress inks, but I cannot believe you sent me all of those. I am so touched. Thank you so much. That's incredible. Right, what's this? Mask and stencil set. Oh my God. Oh, I can't think what that, that's a particular technique, isn't it, that Leona does? Leonie, even? Oh, we tried this. I tried this in a challenge group I'm in, and I failed miserably, but you know, I'm going to have another go because I now have a stencil to help me. That's fantastic. Thank you so much. Oh my God, look. And like, all this can be obviously coloured. Oh my God, Trisha, thank you so much. I can't even tell you. I am literally an emotional wreck this week, but this is so kind of you. And I can't believe how much stuff you've sent. I mean, this is just, oh my God, thank you so much. And please, guys, if you don't already know who Trisha is, please go over and have a look at her channel and subscribe and have a look at her website. If you like polka doodles, you will love Trisha because she does a lot with polka doodles as well. But wow, thank you so much, Trisha. You're such a kind lady. I literally can't believe this. This has cheered me up no end. I can't even tell you. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you've enjoyed watching me unbox my Happy Mail. Once again, thank you so much to Trisha for sending it and for thinking of me. I'll be back soon with more videos. And I'll see you soon. Bye for now.